Want the best spinning reel? We've selected the top 5 reels based on performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a pro or just starting, these reels offer smooth casting, strong drag, and top-notch reliability. Stay tuned to find your perfect match. Number 1. Noeby Infinite Spinning Fishing Reel. The Noeby Infinite Spinning Fishing Reel is engineered for superior performance, catering to both professional and recreational anglers. Available in series 2500, 3000, 4000, 5000, 8000, and 1000, it features a robust 45-pound drag capacity, making it perfect for saltwater fishing. Its tough aluminum body ensures durability and long-lasting use, while the smooth bearing system ensures effortless casting and retrieval. The reel's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip during extended fishing trips. Equipped with advanced line management technology, it minimizes tangles and enhances overall fishing efficiency. Whether targeting large game fish or enjoying casual fishing, the Noeby Infinite promises strength, reliability, and smooth operation, making it an excellent choice for all types of anglers. Number 2. Histar Metal Spool 12 kg Max Drag Spinning Fishing Reel. The Histar Spinning Fishing Reel is designed for both professional and casual anglers. With a 12 kg max drag capacity and a 5.2:1 gear ratio, it delivers excellent power and smooth performance. Available in 1000 to 4000 series, this reel is built with a durable metal spool and carbon fiber components, ensuring lightweight yet robust construction. The 5+1 ball bearing system provides smooth operation, enhancing casting and retrieval efficiency. It's designed for saltwater fishing, offering reliable performance in tough conditions. The ergonomic handle allows for extended fishing sessions without discomfort. Whether targeting small or medium-sized fish, the Histar E-Series spinning reel guarantees reliability, strength, and smooth operation for all anglers. Number 3. KastKing Spartacus Baitcasting Reel. The KastKing Spartacus Baitcasting Reel is engineered for superior performance, featuring a dual brake system for precision and control. With a powerful 8 kg max drag capacity, it offers smooth and reliable handling for various fishing conditions. The 11+1 ball bearing system ensures seamless casting and retrieval, reducing friction and providing ultra-smooth operation. Its 6.3:1 high-speed gear ratio allows for quick and efficient line retrieval, making it ideal for targeting fast-moving fish. The reel is designed for durability and comfort, with a lightweight yet strong construction, ensuring extended use without fatigue. Whether you're an experienced angler or a beginner, the KastKing Spartacus Baitcasting Reel offers excellent performance and reliability on every cast. Number 4. LINNHE Big Spinning Fishing Reel. The LINNHE Big Spinning Fishing Reel is designed for both saltwater and freshwater fishing, offering powerful performance. With drag capacities ranging from 8,000 to 14,000 series, this reel boasts an impressive 20 kg drag, making it suitable for targeting large, powerful fish. Built with a durable and robust construction, it provides long-lasting use in tough conditions. The smooth bearing system ensures effortless casting and retrieval, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for extended fishing sessions. This reel is perfect for anglers seeking strength, reliability, and smooth performance, whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater environments. The LINNHE Big Spinning Reel delivers excellent value and performance for serious fishing enthusiasts. Number 5. Noeby Carbon Spinning Fishing Reel. The Noeby Carbon Spinning Fishing Reel is designed for anglers seeking a lightweight and high-performance reel. Available in 2500, 3000, and 4000 series, this reel features a max drag capacity of 7 kilograms, ideal for medium-sized fish. The gear ratio of 6.21 ensures smooth and quick retrieval, enhancing fishing efficiency. The reel is constructed with a durable carbon body and an aluminum spool, making it lightweight yet sturdy for long-lasting use. Its smooth bearing system ensures effortless casting, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during extended fishing sessions. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, the Noeby Carbon Spinning Reel offers reliability, strength, and excellent performance for anglers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Here are our top 5 picks. carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.